Excel Chapter 6, pages 341 through 344. Read page 344 about creating a workbook based on an existing template. When you finish that, flip over to page 342 and go to create a workbook based on the employee time card template. Step number 1. Click on the File tab and then click New. The center pane shows the available templates on your computer and the template categories on office.com. Step number 2. Click the Timesheets folder. All the available templates in this category appear in the center pane. There are several timesheet templates. Step number 3. Click the Employee Time Card Daily, Weekly, Monthly, and Yearly template. A preview of a worksheet based on the selected template appears in the right pane. Click the Download button in the right pane. Now, when you're working in a lab, you have to be patient, and we have to check and see if there's going to be any type of security warnings. If there is, just raise your hand and I can help you, okay, and we can get this downloaded. Alright, so now you have this template that's open for the employee time card. Go to page 343 and read a couple of quick little paragraphs right there, and then we'll go to the bottom of 343 to enter data in the Employee Time Card 1 workbook. In cell C3, it says employee name right there. Enter Ed Who. In cell D8, always remember you can check right here. You can also type the address in right there and it'll take you right to it if you're having trouble finding it. And when you're working in a worksheet or a workbook that somebody else created, it is sometimes hard to find the exact address. So use the name box to get you there. Enter 8. This is the total regular hours Ed worked on Monday. Totals appear in cells D15, D16. Look down here. Do you see them popping up? Showing where the number of time he actually worked. Because the formulas are already entered. Cell D15 shows 8 hours worked that week. Cell D16 shows the number of hours worked in January, and cell I4, right there, shows the number of regular hours worked that year. And you can keep going across these and look at them. There's M4, okay, which shows the number of total hours worked that year. Just keep looking at them, figure it out. Like I said, when you're picking up somebody else's work, you kind of need to go over it and see what they've done. Okay, I don't like seeing things like that right there, right? It always make me nervous. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You can see 5 is covered. So when you are using somebody else's file, you do have to compensate for your lack of knowledge of how they created it, which is why you learn to create stuff yourself in this class, right? All right, in cell D9, which is right there, enter 8 as the regular hours Ed worked on Tuesday. Press your enter key. All right, in cell E9, right there next to Tuesday, apparently Ed worked 2 hours overtime. Okay, and again, you can watch all your totals jumping and changing because everything's already been done for you. Flip over to page 344. Save the workbook as Hoot Time Card in the correct folder on your flash drive. The Hoot Time Card workbook, like any other workbook, is saved with the regular file extension. It does not overwrite the template file. So go ahead and save it and close it, and you're ready to go on to your next video.